What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, which has taken another dip guys. It is currently down 12% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be going through, is it likely to drop further? Is it going to crash soon, just like what's happened earlier on in December? Went for a major pump and then crashed back down. So is this another repeat of what happened last year, or is it going to recover and pump back up in value? So essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to sell it before it crashes further? Is it time to invest into it before it pumps up even higher? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as usual, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, and it's actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, it is also likely to hit green candles here and there. But what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So dropping a little bit further is what I'm expecting, because of how much value it has gained over the week is crazy guys. It is slightly overvalued and in for a little bit of a price correction, and exact same should apply for the next few days. So zooming into the hourly chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the coming week. So by mid next week, it should be trading around its current price range. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I am not expecting it to fluctuate. Indeed, I am expecting it to drop back down in value a little bit further down to where it is trading at the moment, and do expect more red days to hit this week for Bonk in specific. And again, we may see the odd green day in between. That is absolutely normal. That is part of the market trend. However, the overall outcome is what matters, and again guys, it does seem to be more on the negative side. So I'm expecting it to drop further down here, somewhere around this price range by mid next week. So we should see green and red days, but more than likely the red days are going to overtake the green days, which should result in an overall drop in value for Bonk. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking very steep indeed, meaning according to the graph, an overall major pump is expected, which is not the case, as it's not realistic. So over the next approximately 2 months, so mid to late April 2024, I'm expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value to around 0.00001 cents in value, somewhere around here, or slightly below that value is what I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at. So yes guys, if you want to call it a crash, that's what I'm expecting from the crypto over the coming days and weeks, especially that the value of Bonk has gone crazy over the last month. Is pumped up over 200%, and that is after the drop that's taken place. So it was about over 300% increase guys over the last 4 weeks. So again, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So bringing out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the top tier level here, and more than likely we are going to end up back into the in the resistance target between the red and the green zone here by mid to late April 2024. But again guys, if you guys want regular updates on Bonk, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. If anything does change, then of course I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated and keep you guys in the loop as well. So to get notified, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications as well. So before I go any further guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in regular updates on the crypto market. I do have a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, if you guys use discount code DEC10 for 50% off, you get it for $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So just to give you guys a brief explanation on what happens once you sign up, you get put into two group chats. The first one is a chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be keeping you guys updated on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that I will also provide to you guys in that group chat. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This is a very old screenshot from about nearly 2 years ago. But yeah, you get the gist of what happens. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Bonk. So as you guys can see, the trading volume has dropped quite heavily, 43% down in the last 24 hours, making it $1.26 billion in trading, which is still a huge amount. However, the reason it's dropped down quite a bit in trading is because the value of Bonk has also dropped quite a bit. Many people are just holding back, and I'm pretty sure there's quite a lot of people panicking as well, especially those who invested into it when it was pumping a couple of days ago. You're probably on a loss right now and panicking. However, guys, that is cryptocurrency, and I did warn you guys in my previous updates on Bonk. The crypto is pumping like crazy, and it does look like it is going to take a little bit of a step back down in value. That is exactly what's happened, because that's happened in the past. So more or less you can predict it. The way it's pumping and the way it's going up in value in a short amount of time, it's not really sustainable. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your take and your prediction for Bonk, especially after the dip that's taken place over the last 48 hours. What if your predictions have changed? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.